Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. 15. A law enforcement officer notices that one of your passengers is not wearing a seatbelt and writes a citation. Which of the following is true? A. Both you and your passenger will receive a citation. B. Your passenger will receive the citation regardless of age. C. You may receive the citation if the passenger is younger than 16. The road ahead is closed to traffic in your direction. B. Do not enter the road ahead, unless it is safe to do so. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.